Howdy, howdy, howdy. I didn't know if I was going to do a recap today because I am in the middle of home renovation of a new house and trying to move into it, and it's just pure chaos, pure and utter chaos. But, I figured I'd do a little recap before I shut down for the day. I only took one small trade, so it's nothing super crazy to write home about, but why not talk about it, huh? I'm looking at the SPY right now just to kind of show you what I was looking at this morning, and I see this sort of situation, if you will. And when we opened, when we were sitting in the pre-market, we were kind of like above this area. So I have a level drawn here, and we'll zoom in to like the 5 minute, just so you can see it in the morning. So in the morning, that level is right here. So I was really interested to see if we would, kind of, hold it and reclaim it and get a push up, or if we would lose it and have a, sell off for the day. We did end up getting a push up, and then we had this insane sell off the rest of the day. So yeah, so I was played. I was looking at and I played FSLY, and I'll show you what I was looking at here. So FSLY has been in this downtrend, right? It did consolidate a bit here and set a range here, and then it lost it. And now the next range that I'm seeing is, down here, somewhere down here. And we're sitting right now, right at the bottom of this range. So I'm interested in that level. And if I take it over to the 5 minute chart, and if I throw my pivots on as well, you can see that that bottom range on the weekly chart is this yellow line right here, and it pairs pretty well with S3. So I was interested in a bounce. The only thing that was difficult this morning is that the SPY did sell off below that range level before it reclaimed it and gave a push up. And FSLY definitely struggled during that time. And I was a little bit concerned because the SPY was losing that range level, but as soon as it reclaimed it, it helped FSLY push up. But I got the babiest move on this. Like, this is the smallest little move, but hey, green is green, right? But so I actually hit in when we were down here and I saw it holding, but the spread was so terrible that I got filled up here. The price action was just horrendous on this morning. And, I was trying to catch a move to 19, which it did end up getting up to. That was like my area for my first partial. And it's because if you kind of back it up on here, I thought that if we pushed up this morning, like if we pushed through all this stuff, then the next kind of area of resistance would be up here, which is close to 19 and also close to R3. So that was, depending on the price action, I was either going to partial there or get all out there. So that was kind of my plan. But as I was trading this, when we got up to, so I entered in, and then it just, this price action, like, look at these wicks and just, oh, it's terrible. It's just not smooth at all. It wasn't smooth at all. And when we got up to 1870, I just saw this ask that was like the largest ask, the only thing on the friggin' L2 that was even worthwhile. The stock came up to it, it pushed up against that price and just like immediately shot down. And when that happened, I was like, there's just not enough volume going on in this right now and enough price action or like good price action for me to feel comfortable with more bids stepping up and like holding this. That was just, I don't know, it was just too much too fast and pushed it down too quickly, and I was just like, I don't feel good about this, so I just got out. Small win, a baby green a baby green day. Eventually it made it up there, up to this area through a double top, and sold off. But my god, if you take it to the 5 minute, eventually I had to run out the door. So this is too bad I missed this. I honestly don't know if I would have taken it anyways, just because the SPY was selling off. So that would have made me feel a little bit uncomfortable on here, just with the way the market was trading today. But you can see this downtrend, right? And then when we break the downtrend, and it breaks above this higher time frame level and holds, we get this sweet move up all the way past R4. Like, that is a great move on FSLY today. It's too bad it happened later because I was prepared to take it here. That's just how it goes. But anyways, that's all I traded today. I was watching a few other things, but nothing set up or was that worthwhile. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys caught something because the market was fun this morning in both directions. But yeah, that's it. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.